Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. It is an honor in itself to felicitate our striving Navrachnites who have made it to the prize winners list. I, Harth Parekh, with my co-host Dhwani Shah, welcome you on behalf of the entire Navrachna fraternity to this annual prize distribution ceremony 2019-2020.
Without divine intervention, an auspicious occasion is incomplete. So, let us all join our hands as our section in charge, Ms. Anagha Koteshwar, renders the prayer and invokes the blessings of the Almighty, which will be followed with a prayer song.
Father, hear the prayer we offer, not for ease that prayer shall be, but for the strength that we may ever live our lives courageously. Be our strength in hours of weakness, in our wandering, be our guide. Through our endeavor, failure, danger, Father, be thou at our side.
अज्ञान के अंधेरों से हम ज्ञान के उजालों की ओर ले चलो। अज्ञान के अंधेरों से हम ज्ञान के उजालों की ओर ले चलो। की दीवारों से हम सत्य के शिलाओं की ओर ले चलो। अज्ञान के अंधेरों से सारे जहां के सब दुखों का एक ही तो निदान है। याद हो अज्ञान अपना, याद हो अभिमान है। नफरतों के जहर से प्रेम के प्यालों की ओर ले चलो। अज्ञान के अंधेरों से हम अपनी मर्यादा तोड़े, अपनी सीमा में रहे। ना करे अन्याय, ना अन्याय औरों का सहे। कायरों से दूर हो, वीर गए वालों की ओर ले चलो। अज्ञान के अंधेरों से हम ज्ञान के उजालों की ओर ले चलो, ले चलो, ले चलो।
A leader is the one who makes a difference and empowers everyone to reach their potential. I request our pillar of strength and our constant source of motivation, our eminent principal, Ms. Suprabha Menon, to address the virtual ceremony.
Dear parents, teachers and my dear students, greetings on this special day. The annual prize distribution ceremony is a much awaited event on our calendar. Not only for those who win prizes on this day, but also for those who are looking for inspiration and waiting to hear stories of grit and determination, endurance and enthusiasm, and success and achievement. Unlike every year, this year the event is being held on the virtual platform due to the pandemic. However, the distance created by COVID-19 could not hamper our spirits as our teachers and students have come together to recreate the annual prize distribution ceremony 2019-20 on the virtual platform. I take this opportunity to congratulate all our prize winners, their parents and teachers. It is indeed heartening to see our students take away more than 350 Scholars Award and over 1,000 special prizes for leadership skills, academic excellence, artistic endeavors, sporting achievement and whatnot. We believe that the holistic development program that NSS carries out enables our students to be achievers and to see success very early in life. We strive to create an environment that celebrates commitment and rewards efforts. For us, every child is a potential winner. Thus, our effort is to provide opportunities for spotting and honing talent. The result of these efforts are invariably satisfying. As we recognize and applaud our achievers, many potential engineers will find their motivation in Nisarg Chadha, who secured All India Rank 16 at JEE Advanced, no mean achievement. Tomorrow's designers will find their inspiration in Ananya Maheshwari, who has made it to NIT. Lawyers in the making have Janvi Sahni and Devpriya Shashwat as their inspiration. Digant Mitra has set an altogether different goal for his juniors. He has gained entry to the prestigious National Defence Academy. Many of our students are heading to foreign universities and prestigious universities in India. To all my students, prize winners or not, a word of advice. Grab all opportunities that the school gives you, for that is what will take you towards your goal. Work hard, be consistent and disciplined. Those are the keys to success. Dear parents, thank you for constantly motivating your children and showing them the right path. A big thank you to the teachers of Navrachna School Sama for going all out to create an enabling environment that is the hallmark of Navrachna. Thank you, take care, stay safe.
We present before you the dance of triumph, an expression of victory and its blissful afterglow.
लम्हा लम्हा था हमने सवारा, अपनी मंजिल अपना चौबारा, छूट रहा ये चमन अपना चमन, आँखों से अपनी छूट रहा ये चमन अपना चमन, आँखों से अपनी संकल्प लेके ये हम तो निकल पड़े, हर द्वार खोल के सब ये कहे विजय भवा, विजय भवा, सब ये कहे विजय भवा। तदुम तननन तदुम तननन तदुम तन तनदान दान दन तदुम तनन तनदान दान दन तदुम तनन। अब लक्ष्य हमारा साथ रहे, मंजिल पे डटे रहे, अब चले आंधियां सनन सनन गूंजे जयकार बने, हर नैन नैन में सपना बने, हर कदम कदम अपना बने, हर हृदय हृदय में विद्या का सच्चा श्रृंगार सजे, न जाए मकसद छे दिल का उद्गार बने। है आज का ये दिन यादों की रोशनी, है जगमगा रही रोशनी, विजय भवा, विजय भवा। संकल्प लेके ये हम तो निकल पड़े, विजय भवा, विजय भवा, विजय भवा,
Now I call upon our activity in charge, Miss Anita Jyoti Nair, to brief you all about the prizes.
Good evening, everyone. The school has instituted various prizes and awards to acknowledge and commend the achievements of our meritorious students. who have left a blazing trail growing in academics. The Scholars Award is conferred upon a student who secures minimum A2 in languages and A1 in all other subjects. The Scholars Silver Medal is awarded to a student who receives the Scholars Award for 3 consecutive years from Standard 5 onwards. The Scholars Gold Medal, the most coveted school award in academics, is presented to a student who achieves the Scholars Silver Medal for 3 consecutive years. Exceptional Progress Certificate is awarded to a student who shows a 2-grade jump in 3 or more subjects. I congratulate all the winners for their steadfastness and commitment. Thank you.
Winning isn't everything, it is the only thing. You are your own competitor, so take the challenge and become the better version of you.
आया है ये शुभ अवसर, मेहनत है आपकी रंग लाई, सफलता यूं ही मिलती रहे, नवरचना परिवार देता है बधाई।
Dreams are a dream for most people, but not for you. You had a plan, you worked hard, and now you are seeing the fruits of your labor. Congratulations to you all for your fantastic achievements and many wishes for many more victories to come.
Greetings to one and all. Success is the celebration of the bond between two very deeply connected people like the Guru and Shishya. It reminds me of an incident between the valiant and dutiful Arjun and his erudite Guru Dronacharya. Arjun wanted to know about the success mantra from his Guru Dronacharya, and Dronacharya told him that there are no shortcuts to success, but instead he gave him some secret traits to achieve success. First was to be driven by passion, followed by hard work with sincerity, and ability to focus on one's goals and practice till one excels at it. We now begin with the academic prize distribution for class 7. Ananya Srivastav and Nandini Jain of 7A receive the Scholars Award, followed by Jia Shah and Jia Parekh of 7B, the proud recipients of the Silver Medal. We now have Shubham Prasad of 7B claiming a Silver Medal. Next in line is Vrushti Shah of 7C who receives a Scholars Award. Heer Purohit, Nandini Nair, Parva Vyas and Tashvi Shah, the superstars of 7D, are the proud recipients of Silver Medal. For his stupendous performance, Nilap Koditotitil of 7E receives a Silver Medal, followed by Kavya Venkatesh of 7E who receives a Scholars Award. Next in line are two incredible students of 7F, Dhyan Patel and Jainil Patel, who claim the Silver Medal. Last but not the least, Kushal Shah and Ritika Patel achieved a milestone by claiming the Scholars Award. And now I call upon Rajisha ma'am to continue with the further proceedings.
Good evening everyone. Taking the story forward, Arjun's quest for knowledge was not quenched, so Dronacharya expounded that nothing can be achieved till one stretches out of one's comfort zone and pushes oneself both physically and mentally out of their shyness and insecurities. He further added that a student should be curious, listen and observe to solve problems and be persistent in all their efforts, and most importantly, not let failures deter one from one's goals. The first silver medal winner from class 8A is Dibanita Das, and her classmate, our very versatile Hard Parit, receives the Scholars Award. The shining stars of 8C, Dhwani Shah and Hiva Patel, are the proud recipients of the Silver Medal. the brilliant girls from 8C, Sakshi Kothari and Vedika Patel, and the hard-working Diva Patel and Prachit Patel of 8D are the winners of the silver medal. Coming up next are the intellectual girls from 8E, Anvi Desai and Pranjal Khurana, whose meticulous and painstaking efforts have earned them a silver medal. Joining their classmates are Gargi Kalia and Kanishka Jaipal, the recipients of the Scholars Award. I take great pride in presenting before you Aditi Paul of Class 8F, whose diligence has won her the silver medal. Last of the awardees from Class 8 is Nia Rachel Jubin of Class 8F, whose assiduous efforts helped her win the Scholars Award. Over to Sukriti ma'am for the next set of awards.
Un grand bonjour à tous. How year after year we as teachers and mentors nurture in front of our very own eyes our students excelling in every facet of their school life, be it academics, be it arts, be it sports, be it performing arts. Let us see how our students are consistently and relentlessly working hard towards achieving the excellence. Votre source de motivation est l'ingrédient qui peut faire toute la différence. Let me explain it to you. Your source of motivation is an important ingredient which can make all the difference. For the Scholars Medal Gold, the proud recipients are Soumik Aish of 9C, Aziz Hatmi and Yashvi Parekh of 9D, followed by the Scholars Awards backed by Pranjal Jain of 9C and Nikita Mantri of 9E. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said that confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. I call upon some such names who believe in this and are the Exceptional Progress Award holders. So coming up first are the ones from grade 7A, Tilak Asudaria for English, Hindi, French and Computer Science. Up next is Vidhi Pahalwani for English, Hindi, French and Social Science. Mahira Kukreti of 7B for the award in French, Mathematics and General Science. She is followed by Aniket Rao of 7C for Hindi, Gujarati, Mathematics and Social Science. Up next are the students from 7E, Bhumika Naik for Hindi, Sanskrit, Mathematics and Computer Science, Vedansh Choksi for award in Hindi, Mathematics, Social Science and Computer Science, followed by grade 7F. Miraba Parmar receives it for Hindi, Gujarati, Mathematics and Social Science. Rushabh Sanghvi for an exceptional progress in English, Mathematics and Social Science. He is followed by Shrey Surti for English, Gujarati and Mathematics. Congratulations children. The next set of winners from grade 8 firmly believe in the same. Starting up with 8A. We first have Adya Soni, who collects the award in English, Hindi and Computer Science. Anisha Avasthi in Hindi, Mathematics and Computer Science. Anushna Mukherjee for Sanskrit, Mathematics, Social Science and Computer Science. Divya Shah is up next for English, Hindi, Sanskrit and Mathematics. Khushi Shah bags it for Sanskrit, General Science, Social Science and Computer Science. Up next is Manthan Shah for English, Hindi, Sanskrit, Mathematics and General Science. Nirmanyu Sehgal receives it in Sanskrit, Social Science and Computer Science. Next in line is Priyan Mishra for Sanskrit, Mathematics and Computer Science. Sachi Kolhatkar in Mathematics, General Science and Computer Science. Vansh Malkhani for Hindi, Sanskrit, Mathematics and General Science. Winners from grade 8B, Kashti Singh for Hindi, Gujarati, Mathematics, General Science, Social Science and Computer Science. Sahil Sen for Hindi, Gujarati, Mathematics and General Science. The next recipient is Tanushri Amroliwala for English, Hindi, Gujarati, Mathematics, General Science and Social Science and Computer Science. She is followed by Yukti Shah for English, Hindi, Mathematics, General Science, Social Science and Computer Science. Pari Patel for English, Hindi, Mathematics and General Science. Now moving on to grade 8C, we have Ashka Jan for English, Hindi, Gujarati and Mathematics, followed by Abhiman Kanamari, who is the proud recipient of the award in Hindi, Mathematics, General Science and Social Science. Dishir Saluja is up next for Hindi, Gujarati, Mathematics and General Science. Prisha Shah is next in line for the award in English, Hindi, Gujarati and Mathematics, followed by Sachika Tomar for Hindi, General Science and Computer Science. Shobh Advani in English, Hindi, Mathematics, General Science, Social Science and Computer Science. Suraj Parekh for English, Social Science and Computer Science. Tanuj Gangwani comes up next for Hindi, Mathematics, General Science and Computer Science. Vraj Shah, who receives it for Hindi, General Science and Social Science. Moving on to the next set of awardees from grade 8D with Arya Sibal, who receives it for English, Gujarati and Computer Science. Het Nadar in English, Hindi, Gujarati, Mathematics, General Science, Social Science and Computer Science. Nandish Gurjar for English, Gujarati, Mathematics and Computer Science. Kamya Rajput in Sanskrit, General Science and Computer Science. She is followed by Kashvi Bagalia for English, Gujarati and Computer Science. Up next is Kia Thakkar for Mathematics, General Science and Computer Science. We now move on to class 8E for the awards. First is Aruchi Karnik for English, General Science, Social Science and Computer Science. Ayana Mishra is up next for her share of award in Hindi, Sanskrit, Mathematics, General Science, Social Science and Computer Science. Bhumi Rana follows Ayana for English, Hindi, Sanskrit, General Science and Computer Science. Dhwanit Upsani for Hindi, Sanskrit, Mathematics and Computer Science, followed by Diksha Birwadkar for Sanskrit, Mathematics and Computer Science. Mehak Jain in English, Sanskrit, Mathematics, General Science and Social Science. Muhammad Akil Khan for English, Sanskrit, General Science, Social Science and Computer Science. Rishabh Meena is the next awardee for English, Hindi, Sanskrit, Mathematics, General Science. Ronak Soni follows Rishabh to collect the esteemed award in Hindi, Sanskrit and Computer Science. Next in line is Ruchita Vaidya in the subjects Sanskrit, Mathematics, General Science and Computer Science, followed by Sara Pathan for English, Mathematics, General Science, Social Science and Computer Science. Soumya Srijo Chatterjee is the next recipient in line for Sanskrit, Mathematics, General Science and Social Science. Venkat Sai Sachin for Hindi, Sanskrit, General Science, Social Science and Computer Science. Sanvi Agrawal for English, Hindi, Mathematics, General Science and Computer Science. If you work hard enough and assert yourself, you can shape the world to your desires. Congratulations, children. Next, we have the winners from grade 8F with Arav Nanavati, who bags the award for French, Mathematics, Social Science and Computer Science. Akshat Chavan is up next, proud recipient for French, Mathematics and Computer Science. Anushka Basrani for French, Mathematics and Computer Science. Next in line to receive his award in French, Hindi, Mathematics, General Science, Social Science and Computer Science is Ayan Sheikh. Followed by Mahak Sharma for French, English, Mathematics, General Science, Social Science and Computer Science. Neeraj Lenka for her Hindi, Mathematics, General Science and Computer Science. Nishita Saxena for the award in French, Mathematics, General Science and Computer Science. Rena Bhumia for English, Hindi, Maths, General Science and Social Science. Shivam Iyer takes away the distinguished award for English, Mathematics, General Science and Social Science. Next is Vardhan Shah For mathematics, general science and social science, Matryoshka Sharma. For English, Hindi, French, general science, social science and computer science.
Good evening to all. Let me take you through some more success stories of our students. Success thrives on 4 pillars: devotion, dedication, discipline, and determination. Personality cannot be achieved without the indispensable aspect of school life, that is, co-curricular and cultural activities apart from academics. At Navrachna, our motto is fostering the spirit of excellence. To keep up with this spirit, we at Navrachna lend boundless support to our students by organizing various competitions to equip them with life skills and values which help them in their holistic development. In the inter-house competition, Pen Craft, a creative writing competition, was held in English, Hindi and Gujarati languages. Anushka Konur of Ruby House, Himani Mehta and Yashvi Nadi of Topaz House impressed the judges with their creative writing and bagged the first position. Topaz House got the overall first position. In the Hindi creative writing, Tashvi Shah and Jhalak Jain of Sapphire House and Saishri Manhas of Topaz House secured the first position. Sapphire House got the overall first position. We wish the very best to these budding and promising writers and thinkers. Up next are the winners of Gujarati Creative Writing Competition. Priyanshi Patel of Emerald House, Sakshi Kothari and Tanishi Shah of Topaz House and Mahi Shah of Sapphire House were the winners. The championship trophy was lifted by Ruby House. Well done, Ruby House! Itihas ke Panno Se, an inter-house Hindi play based on the historical characters like Shivaji, Porus and Rani Lakshmi Bai, was staged with the aim of bringing the historical characters to life. Emerald House impressed the judges and the audience and bagged the first position. The team comprised of Anvay Kenkar, Manan Khera, Ananya Srivastav, Harth Parekh, Keshav Singh, Manthan Shah, Dravya Choksi, Dutt Parmar, Manas Selukar, Nikita Mantri, Manas Thakkar, Karn Patel, Heer Bhatt, Mayank Ahir, Janya Shah and Alankrita Prateek. Congratulations to all the winners! In the inter-house quiz competition titled Merry Queries, a team comprising of Parva Vyas, Sakshi Kothari, Urvana Shana and Dhananjay Gopal from Topaz House emerged victorious. Congratulations to our brilliant quizzers! Coming up next are the winners of Inter-House Literati Bites and English Ensemble competition for Standard 7 to 9. In the storytelling competition for Standard 7, Special Jury Award was bagged by Srishti Asrani and first position was secured by Jia Rajgor of Ruby House. Well done, girls! Up next are the winners of Best TV Show from Standard 8. The team comprised of Manas Selukar, Harth Parekh, Keshav Singh, Anushka Aithal, Julina Kurian, Kavya Joshi and Dutt Parmar. Well done, Emerald House! The winners of excerpts from Shakespeare are Sparsh Datta, Gaurisa Avasthi, Varun Saikia, Ronit Kataria and Shagun Kishan from Ruby House. Kudos to the champions! To instill love and respect for our culture and tradition
an inter-house dance competition titled Mitti Ki Khushboo was organized. Topaz House set the stage on fire and secured first position for their stupendous performance. Let's applaud for the Fireballs Maua Shah, Yashvi Naddi, Eshna Kumari, Swara Shah, Saishri Manhas, Ved Patel, Path Jagani, Ayushi Vyas, Diya Panchal, Moksh Patel, Sneh Prajapati, Dishti Chandraramani, Manya Shah, Durva Bhatt and Anandita Bakchi. The choreographer of this performance were Natasha Shitole and Himakshi Tiwari. Well done, Topaz House. Keep the team spirit high and Josh alive. A digital illustration titled Sequence the Scene was organized for standard 7 to 9. Presenting before you the proud winners of Emerald House. Please welcome Krish Wadhwa, Dipanshu Mahakul, Nick Fernandez, Aneri Tilwa, Manas Thakkar, Manas Selukar, Shelly Nagori and Sparsh Shah. Congratulations to our digital wizards. This year, on Sports Day, a photography competition, Click the Pic, was organized. Topaz House, Sneha Shah's photograph, Hum Saath Saath Hain, was adjudged the best photograph. Keep up the good work, Sneha. In this 21st century, where the use of science and technology has become the need of the hour, our students are a cut above the average. Coming up next are the winners of Science Bonanza. Ayush Rathi and Naman Shah from Sapphire House secured the first position in paper presentation. Aziz Hatmi and Gaurisa Avasthi from Ruby House were the winners of Best Teaching Aid. A team comprising of 4 budding scientists, namely Aneri Tilwa, Julina Kurian, Dhyan Patel and Manasvi Negi, were awarded the first position in scientific innovation. The overall trophy was lifted by Sapphire House. Well done, champs. Keep ideating and innovating.
Thank you, ma'am. We have a set of special awards coming up next in our array. I would like to call upon our Assistant Creative Director, Ms. Pranjal Joshi, to announce these awards.
Just 8 months ago, our school premise was bustling with the babble and the infectious laughter of our students, hoping for those wholesome days to make a comeback soon. With this sanguine disposition, I congratulate with aplomb the students who have earned plaudits for their stupendous performance by putting their minds on a thinking treadmill, by burning the midnight oil throughout the year for rip-roaring outcome and for acing the academic realm. Kudos to our champions.
Artists, through their art, give wings to their imagination and make the world a utopian sanctuary. Their craft emanates happiness and beauty. Our in-house artists of the year are: for visual arts, Sia Patel of class 9B; for performing arts, Hiya Ray of class 8E. Congratulations, students! Paint your aspirations to success. The proud recipient of the Spirit of the Social Service Award is Pankhi Shukla of class 9C. Pankhi, we applaud your altruistic disposition and your readiness to initiate participation in community building endeavors. Moving on to an award which signifies a sounding alarm to climate change and building practical solutions to mitigate its impact and save the planet. The Budding Environmentalist Award goes to Aditi Paul of class 8F. Congratulations, Aditi, a Greta Thunberg in the making. Keep up the good work and inspire others to do the same. Now coming to the special 100% attendance award, which felicitates the students for their consistency in attending the school on all the working days. The recipients of this award are Sakshi Kothari of class 8C,
She's received this award for 8 consecutive years. A virtual shout out to Sakshi Kothari for setting such a precedence. Keshav Virparia of class 9B. He too has bagged this award for 6 consecutive years. Kudos to your Complan immunity and your iron strong will, Keshav. The next set of awards are the Star Pupil Awards, conferred by the PTA for the recognition of the excellence in the academic achievements. The academic superstars for the year 2019-20 are Nandini Jain of class 7A, Dhwani Shah of class 8C, Nikita Mantri of class 9E. They receive a certificate and cash prize of rupees 1,500. Congratulations, students. Kudos to you for proving your academic mettle and setting a precedence by your ninja-like precision. An all-rounder student is the one who possesses a focused disposition, academic prowess, equal involvement in extracurricular activities, and an exemplary demeanor. The best all-rounder for the year 2019-20 is Yashvi Parikh of class 9D. Yashvi, you are a trailblazer indeed. Congratulations for your commendable performance.
Let us now invite a stalwart who doesn't need any introduction and is known amongst all of us for her charisma and an indomitable spirit. I call upon our Vice Principal, Ms. Kashmira Jaiswal, to give the congratulatory message.
Hello, my dear Whiz kids. I feel so proud to be here today among super achievers like you all. We all know that there's no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. Well, what is amazing is that you have worked relentlessly through many dark nights and hard times, inching upwards to reach here. Your persistent performance in the year that went by has brought us all together in this space where we can sit back and reflect upon all that was done right. The stories of your triumphs always ring through the corridors of our school and validate the school's efforts in shaping young minds. Another way of looking at it, at your success, is that not only have your strategies worked so well for you, but your performance has set an example and has provided impetus and inspiration to your peers as well. Young friends, bear in mind, the path to success is not straight and you may face more autumns and winters. You may fail more often than you succeed. But continue to better yourself and bash on regardless. Hearty congratulations on your successes, your remarkable wins. You all have truly deserved it and we are so happy for you. I take this opportunity to compliment all the parents who supported the toils and efforts of their wards with the right mix of guidance and encouragement. More power to you, my superheroes, as you take on the challenges, especially in the current year of the pandemic. Cheers to more victories and keep up that sunny smile.
Thank you, Kashmira ma'am. Your inspiring words have truly left an enduring mark on us. I now request Ms. Ushita Jetwa, the event in charge, to propose the vote of thanks.
In the iconic words of Gilbert K. Chesterton, I would like to maintain that thanks are the highest force of thought and that gratitude is happiness doubled by wonders. Greetings to you all. On behalf of Navratna fraternity, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Executive Chairperson, Mrs. Tejal Amin, the trustees and the PTA members for their unstinting support and constant motivation. I am grateful to the entire IT team for the IT support. They truly are our heroes behind the screen. I am indebted to all the teachers who have relentlessly worked hard to make this event a success. And yes, a big thank you to you all, dear parents, and each one of you for joining us today for this event. Thank you all once again. Stay safe, take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Let us all rise for the school song.